Looking at NFTs today, we have what are Stramosi NFTs, features, ownership perks, and more. So, guys, this is your bike here, live on CoinMarketCap Alexandria. Reviewing this article by Hassan Shafiq. Feel free to like our videos, share this video. Feel free to subscribe. You can click the subscribe button in the comment section below this video, so you get notified whenever we drop updates. You can also turn on the notification button, guys. So back to the news. It's a table of content. A lot of them will be checking them out. So Stramosi, Roman meaning ancestors, is an intriguing NFT project inspired by Romania's colorful mythology. So one of the most striking aspects of this NFT is that it was created by combining the facial characteristics of various Romanian personalities, such as the heir of Mihail Sadovinian, a famous Romanian writer, the years of George Enescu, a famous Romanian composer, face of Constantin Notura, famous Romanian theatre artist, and so on. Stramosi is built on the Emerald blockchain, which is a highly scalable, fast, secure blockchain platform. So Emerald has its own token called EGLD. So how does Stramosi work? Stramosi was inspired by Iron Network, a third-generation blockchain platform rooted in Romania that is growing rapidly with its own cryptocurrency and supporting a wide range of other distributed apps. Stramosi was intended to be claimed for free, but given Aaron's extraordinary low cost and quick transaction speed, a huge portion of the collection could be ordered by a few people. As a result, a meeting cost was applied to each Stramosi. These assured equitable distribution, provided value, and set a floor price for the entire collection. Stramosi is establishing a donation-based incentive system. Since they are on a mission to do good, all resources earned will be donated to the Romania NGO that will develop innovative technology in the field of tourism by implementing DeFi and increasing adoption in the Herald ecosystem. So according to Sabin Stanescu at Romania NGO CEO, says Stramosi is on a mission to do good. Stramosi aims to bring extra adoption and transactions on Herald, becoming the most important NFT project on the platform, and create an added value for its holders. Stramosi will also allow Romania NGO to build a DAO on top of Herald, work on blockchain tourism platform powered by AI, change the way we promote and visit Romania. We are really glad to have such a strong support for our stake and see that they share so many of same ideas. I believe that with your support, we will manage to create extra value for early adopters and build great teams on Aaron. So, guys, you have unique features of Stramosi collectibles. The NFT collection of Stramosi contains 10,000 ancestors, each one unique with characteristics associated with key historical individuals and Romania traditions. So since the NFTs are already owned, the cost depends on the sales made by the owner of the token. It can be purchased with EGLD at the time of the writing. At the time of writing, the price of EGLD is at $156. The Aaron NFT Stramosi is essentially an ESDT Aaron standard digital token that gives the NFT speed and scalability without the requirement for contracts like ERC20. Aaron protocol adds metadata and properties to the previously existing ESDT to enable Stramosi, and it provides for a few more features than an ESDT, such as changing URI. Stramosi can be purchased once the marketplace is operational. You will be able to sell and exchange them at internet speeds at extremely low prices. So we have limited and special avatars. Stramosi can be owned and held in the Aaron wallet, and now only a maximum of 10k wallets on the Aaron can have a Stramosi avatar, which will become extremely scarce as Stramosi increases. So looking at how to get Stramosi, all 10,000 Stramosi NFTs have been approved and are working on the Aaron blockchain, which was initially envisioned to be distributed for free. So during the initial sale, participants purchased the Stramosi NFT only for one AGLD. However, today you can still participate in the project by acquiring a Stramosi NFT From its present owner, make sure you are utilizing a reputable marketplace because Stramosi is part of the MOS B9, B4, B2 collection on Aaron. So the good news for existing owners is that owing to the restricted supply of Stramosi, as more individuals join Aaron, the demand for Aaron NFTs rises. The value of Stramosi can be expected to increase proportionately over time. So the perks of being a Stramosi NFT owner, said early adopters of the NFT will enjoy some fantastic benefits as a result of owning a one-of-a-kind NFT constructed for the first time on the Aaron network. In addition, you benefit from privileges provided by Romania NGO. You receive a membership card to the Romania DAO. You have the authority to make choices on Aaron the blockchain project and tourist promotion initiative devised by Romania. You'll be assured a position in token distribution of Romania's next generation Aaron powered AI platform. You can anticipate getting your hands on a slew of unique jobs that are about to be released. So the team behind Stramosi, we have Sabine Stanescu, founder and CVO. She has enthusiastic about DAO, the metaverse NFTs blockchain, other cool stuff. One of Stramosi's many team members. He has visited over 60 countries to explore tourism, sports, and has a Guinness World Record. He also plans on transforming Romania using blockchain and other tourism-related DAO. We have Edward, co-founder and DAO architect, a self-taught creative who enjoys building teams and holds a bachelor's degree in architecture. Spent time in an international setting, owning abilities that will be useful in the future. We have Lilian, co-founder and CSO crypto enthusiast who also enjoys photography. He has traveled the globe and seen some of the world's most prominent racing and art movements. Romania in its favorite place on the planet. We have Stefan, social media manager, okay, enjoys mountaineering and traveling to different parts of Romania. Puts digital abilities to good use, lighting areas. So for the roadmap to Stramosi, we have Stramosi was founded with the goal of promoting Romanian tourism by developing Romania's first blockchain travel platform. With 10,000 NFT characters already sold, this is the first time an NFT has been sold auction minted for a price of $10 million. So Stramosi has a long road ahead of it, especially because it intends to transform traditional tourism with a decentralized infrastructure that will allow people who want to travel in Romania, whether Romanians or visitors from other countries, to benefit from AI-based platform that will be able to configure their trips and travel experience within the country. Q4 2021 project is focusing on development of the Romania platform, tourism promotion through marketing. We also have the project intends to create a valid proof of concept for decentralized tourism platform, introductory white paper broadening Romania's reach, and exclusive airdrops to early users, early orders. So these are some of the perks. And Q4, say 2022, will also be devoted to the advancement of Romania ecosystem, setting the stage for testing of Stramosi's NFTs as governance tokens, hands-on experiences. Well traveled persons will be used to construct Romania's tourist brand. So they have a lot more planned for 2023. So this Stramosi itself, I think it's lovely, guys. I think it's lovely. Looking at the NFTs and cryptocurrencies, the next step in Romania's tourism. Is in order to understand Romania's enormous tourism potential and state-run institutions, efforts to promote them, all you have to do is visit the Ministry of Tourism's official website. Website demonstrate that the government is making little efforts to promote tourism to foreigners. This is where the zeal of local organizations such as Romania NGO transform the face of mainstream government institutions for tourism is extraordinary. Seek to reinvent tourism in Romania, creating a place for smart travel, becoming self-sustaining AI-driven tourism DAO. So the DAO seeks to transform our perception of tourist spots and the management of tourists in real estate. So a decentralized platform will be established with the support of Aaron blockchain in order to integrate tourism with a sustainable, democratic, and smart travel solution. So guys, I think that's a very good one. Lastly, we have blockchain integration can be found virtually all industries, resulting in higher transparency, better security, improved traceability, increased transaction efficiency and speed, cost savings. The proposal of the Romania NGO and Stramosi NFT to connect the Iran blockchain with tourism is very unique. It will alleviate many of the challenges that the Romanian tourist sector is now facing. Imagine it all started with a colorful and groovy NFT Stramosi. It's an artwork inspired by the Roman legend. So, guys, that's all we have on CoinMarketCap's news review on Stramosi NFTs. Cuba keys. Feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. I'll be dropping a link in the description box so you can read more on this article as well as other updates from CMC. Stay tuned for more, guys. Cuba keys. Peace out and much love.